Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg upma. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes 1 cup of roasted semolina, 2 eggs, and 1 finely chopped onion. Also have 1 chopped tomato, 1 green chili, and a few fresh curry leaves. Don't forget 1 teaspoon each of mustard seeds and urad dal, plus 2 tablespoons of oil, salt, and water. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal, letting them splutter. Next, add your chopped onion, green chili, and curry leaves. Sauté these until the onion turns translucent and soft. Then, stir in the chopped tomato and cook until it breaks down and softens, about 2 to 3 minutes. It's time to add the semolina. Introduce 1 cup of roasted semolina to the pan and toast it gently for about 2 minutes, ensuring it doesn't burn. Then, carefully pour in 2 cups of hot water along with salt to taste, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Cook until the water is fully absorbed and the upma thickens. Finally, crack 2 eggs directly into the upma mixture and quickly scramble them in until cooked through. Your delicious egg upma is almost ready. Garnish it generously with fresh coriander leaves for an extra burst of flavor and color. Serve the hot egg upma immediately to enjoy its best texture and taste. It's a fantastic, nutritious, and flavorful option for breakfast or a light meal. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.